are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please make one for me.
I felt heartbroken.
Tell me what happened.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
No, not yet.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'll go skiing if the weather permits.
Why are you so angry with him?
He did not invite me to the party.
Is it okay if I take the last piece?
Don't worry about it.
How did you like the song?
The melody is great.
Did you telephone him?
Yes, but he did not answer.
He comes back from Sydney today.
How long was his trip?
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play baseball.
Where is this bus bound for?
It's bound for Chicago.
Have you seen my glasses anywhere?
I saw them last on the kitchen table.
Would you please open the door for me?
Certainly.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a sandwich.
What do you feel like for dinner?
You can decide.
What do you mean?
English is harder than Spanish.
What do you think about the price?
I think it's too expensive.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, my appointment is at 10 a.m.
How far is it from here?
It is about a 10-minute walk.
Wait for a moment outside the room.
When can I come in?
Why don't you agree?
I don't think it's very realistic.
Do you like black cats?
I'm too superstitious.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I've just come back from Scotland.
Whose cell phone is this?
It's my new phone.
How have you been?
My leg still hurts, but I'm better.
How much is the rent for a month?
$1,000.
Where did you go from dinner yesterday?
I went to the restaurant near the station.
I would like you to come with me.
I can come on Tuesdays.
It's bitterly cold today.
Here's a scarf to keep you warm.
Does Anthony live there?
He doesn't live here anymore.
Do you usually work late into the night?
When there are big projects to be done.
I'm not busy.
Then let's grab dinner.
That was boring, wasn't it?
It sure was.
What is in the box?
My new shoes are in that box.
This room is very dirty.
Let me help you clean it up.
May I ask you out?
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
What's the weather like?
It's raining.
I went to send this letter to Japan.
You need to go to the post office.
Are you a native speaker of English?
No, my mother language is Spanish.
We're going to have a test today.
I'm glad I read the chapter carefully last night.
Do you have friends there?
Yes, a lot of friends.
It may rain tomorrow.
We do not play soccer in the rain.
I'd like to see you, sister.
She lives in Nebraska now.
Shall we go to the cinema?
Sorry, I'm engaged.
My headache has gone.
You should rest for a while.
Have you ever been to Canada?
No, but I want to go to Canada.
How old are you?
11, but I'll be 12 next month.
How did you come to know each other?
We met at our friend's birthday party.
What's the purpose of your stay?
To visit my friend.
Where have you been this week?
I was taking care of my sick son at home.
He always talks big.
I hope he follows through.
Where are you going?
To the post office.
I like to travel by myself.
Do you travel often?
I have cavities.
Try eating less candy.
What are you doing?
They are playing video game.
You are so considerate.
Everyone deserves a kind treatment.
I'll call you back later.
Okay. I'll wait for your call.
Can you tell me how to get there?
No. Sorry, I don't know.
When shall we meet?
You mean to talk about the party?
They are pretty.
I like those earrings, too.
What's your name?
Enrique.
Would you help me remove the refrigerator?
I'm glad too, but I'm afraid I don't have the time.
Why don't we go out and play tennis this afternoon?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
What's your friend's name?
His name is John Smith.
How long have you been skiing?
About 3 years.
Where is John?
He is in the bathroom.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live in my own house.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1969 in Seattle.
Can you pick me up at the station?
Yes. What time?
She made her own dress.
Very nice.
I can't handle this anymore.
Don't be so emotional.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
Have a nice weekend.
Thank you too.
Do you have any more colors?
We have white and black.
Who are those people?
Maybe they're lawyers.
Sorry to keep you waiting for so long.
No, it's fine. Is something wrong, though?
What's the date today?
Today is May 29th, 2019.
The pain is getting worse.
Perhaps you should just rest.
I want to eat something.
How does a burger sound?
Do you want to sit down?
Yes, please, I am tired.
Would you like some more pie?
I'm content.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet, 10 inches.
Who will be at the party?
It's secret.
What are they made of?
The outside is made of hard plastic.
Why are you so late?
I studied for my test tomorrow.
Are these your pens?
Yes, they are.
You really shouldn't use pirated software.
I do my best not to get caught.
I think the bigger one is better.
Thank you for your suggestion.
What's the size of your shoes?
8 inches.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Each day I eat toast and eggs.
Are you working?
I'm working but will be finished in 1 hour.
Are you going to be late today?
Yes, I think so.
What do you think about that movie?
I thought the movie was very interesting.
You look pale.
I did not eat lunch today.
It seems like this is the long way.
No, it's not. The other one's longer.
Why are you studying Chinese?
For my business.
Could you turn it down, please?
Sorry, was I disturbing you?
Can you speak slowly?
I will try my best to speak slowly.
What shall we do this afternoon?
Let's go to the beach.
That man is a teacher, isn't he?
Yes, he is.
Do you have a pet?
My dog's name is Coco, and I also have a fish named Sally.
Do you rent a house?
Yes, but I'm looking to buy one.
I just got married.
Congratulations and best wishes.
I'd like to send this package to Japan.
It costs $75 to send that package.
Do you often have dreams?
Some nights I have very vivid dreams.
I would like to go fishing, if possible.
I will bring my extra pole on the trip.
I like neither of them.
What size do you want?
What's the height of the building?
More than 300 meters.
What's the date today?
Today is May 13th, 2019.
He knows a lot about animals.
He has 3 dogs, 5 cats, and a bird.
This shirt is too small for me to wear.
You need to go shopping.
Do you plan to do some odd jobs?
Yes, I'm applying to work at the library.
I was busy all day.
Do you work tomorrow?
Have you finished reading the novel?
The ending was not what I expected.
Look at my painting.
You're really talented.
Are you free tonight?
Yes. Why?
Which one is Mr. James' office?
It's room 201 on the 2nd floor.
She looks very lovely.
I love her dress.
It smells delicious.
The chicken is almost done cooking.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, at the p.m.
I'm done cleaning my room.
You really did a good job.
I don't like coffee.
Do you like tea?
Do you enjoy going to the cinema?
Yes, watching a movie relaxes me.
I've got a terrible headache.
Wait here. I'll get your medicine.
Do you mind if I open the window?
The breezes would feel nice.
Excuse me, will you take a picture of us?
Of course.
I am hoping to visit Grandpa.
The sooner, the better.
Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Do you keep regular hours?
Yes, I do except for holidays.
What do you usually do on Sundays?
On Sundays, I like to read books.
I'm afraid of failure.
You'll be fine, don't be nervous.
Do you need a gift box for it?
No need. It's for me.
What time would you like to start work?
I would like to begin at 9 a.m.
Do you smoke?
No, smoking is a bad habit.
By the way, where are you from?
I am from Austria.
Do you have a pen?
I do. Would you like blue or black?